Hey folks, welcome to African Gear Guide, your host Rodney. Today we'll be talking lights, not just any lights, we'll be talking about the Hella Supernova 7-inch spotlights. We need to go and test these lights tonight, eh? Let's take a drive and have a look how these lights perform tonight. Hey guys, we are quickly doing a quick test on the Hella Supernovas. We are busy taking a bit of a drive in the game farm here. So yeah, we can quickly have a look, see how the lights work. I'm going to activate the vehicle's standard brights. This is standard brights on the vehicle with the Hella Supernovas. As you can see, the spotlights does its job. It illuminates the road quite well. I can see what's happening in the bushes and on the side of the road. Yeah, this works lekker. Folks, I bought these lights about 5 months ago. So yeah, I think these lights are phenomenal for what you get with them. I can give you some technical data on this product. The lights weigh about 5.7 kilograms per light. It features a daytime running light for daytime running and gives a cool factor to the vehicle. And then it has about 16 LEDs per spotlight. The lumens are sitting at around about 6,700 lumens with a distance of illumination of about 700 meters without the amber cover. Then with the amber cover, we're looking at a region of about 650 meters illumination, which I think is perfect for those bushveld trips, going on a game farm, working on farms. And yeah, I think this is a phenomenal product, and I think you guys must support your local companies. Time for a joke. Why did the spotlight get kicked out of the movies? It was shining a bad light on the actors. Folks, this comes to the end of our video. Please like, share, and subscribe so that I can create more awesome content for you. All of the best. God bless. See you next time.